Virat Kohli, India's top batsman and one of the most successful test captains of all times, has stepped down from his captaincy in test matches. But there is one thing that has remained common in his 7 years of captaincy, and that is his unrelenting trolling. Kohli, despite being a very successful cricketer, has faced immense trolling. He is easily one of the most trolled cricket personalities ever. And this does not stop here. लोगों ने उनकी वाइफ अनुष्का से लेकर उनकी छोटी बेटी तक को भी ट्रोलिंग में टारगेट किया है. So what is it about Virat Kohli that puts him on radar of these trolls? And why do we need to distinguish between fair criticism and crass trolling? To understand all that, we need to look at the issues that trigger trolling for Virat Kohli. Number 1. Virat's tweet on Diwali. In November 2020, Virat Kohli wished millions of his fans a very happy Diwali. But that brought him immense criticism. Why? Because he said this in his message.
Please remember, do not burst crackers, protect the environment, and have fun at home with your loved ones with a simple diya and sweets on this auspicious occasion. God bless you all. Take care.
Immediately after this, people called Kohli anti-Hindu and ignorant for not understanding the importance of crackers in Diwali. Even until now, people abuse Kohli for taking up this cause. Number 2. Kohli's defense of Mohammad Shami. After India's 10-wicket loss to Pakistan in a World Cup opener, Mohammad Shami was targeted by online trolls. But it was not just limited to his performance. People criticized Mohammad Shami and dragged his religion into this. While many expected Virat to not speak up over this issue, Virat surprised everyone by calling those abusers pathetic and spineless. But trolls did not even like this. Maybe those people who abused Shami or those who justified this abusing did not expect Virat to speak up. But do you know what's worst? A man from Hyderabad was arrested for giving a rape threat to Virat Kohli's daughter. This is the level of discourse we have come to. Number 3. Trolling Anushka Sharma for basically everything that happens with or around Virat Kohli. Virat is married to actress Anushka Sharma, and some of his critics cannot digest the sight of this outspoken couple. Both of them has been trolled massively so many times that we can spend just hours discussing those incidents. अनुष्का ने विराट को मैच में सपोर्ट किया तो ट्रोलिंग, विराट के साथ ट्रैवल किया क्रिकेट टूर्स पर तो ट्रोलिंग, बेबी का फेस छुपाया मीडिया पर्सन से तो ट्रोलिंग, इंडिया किसी से टीम मैच हार गई तो भी ट्रोलिंग. In fact, people trolled her for writing a note for her husband after he stepped down from his captaincy. So as I said, Anushka faces trolling for everything that goes on with and around Virat Kohli. Other than these controversies which had hardly anything related to his performance in cricket, people have been after Virat Kohli for his alleged fight with BCCI, his tussle with Anil Kumble, his alleged fight with Rohit Sharma. So what is it about Virat Kohli that he cannot escape these trolls? The answer is very simple. Kohli has established himself as a cricketer with an outspoken personality. Virat Kohli has strong opinions and he stands by them. His stance can be right or wrong at times, maybe aggressive at times, but this cricketer refuses to back down. This sets him apart from cricket giants of last generation like Rahul Dravid, Sachin Tendulkar and Anil Kumble. Kohli does not mince his words, and this does not go down well with those who want to see only those cricketers who are not aggressive on and off the field. Almost all sports personalities face criticism and trolling online. This is nothing new. This also happens at times because of immense love of fans for these cricket personalities. But in case of Kohli, people seem to have very strong opinion about the cricketer, not because of his performance on the field, but because of his aggressive and outspoken personality. With Kohli gone as a test captain, this is an end of an era. Kohli has proved himself to be an amazing leader and a very talented cricketer. But will these internal politics, relentless trolling and source-based news articles let this legend survive? Only time will tell. If you like this video, do not forget to drop in a like and subscribe to India Times.